What's happening, YouTube? It's our first day of harvest. It's your boy, the Tornado Farmer, coming right at you. We're gonna get combine out. We're gonna go put fuel in it. Took the head over to the field last night, put the snouts on the side at 10:20. We're gonna see how it runs today. I went and tested out some beans. Pretty good. Kind of one of them deals. It's not, you don't want to get too dry because you're gonna get a lot of head loss. I might have to run the real slow as it is right now, but there's kind of one of those deals. You got to get out there and get it because we ain't got a lot of rain coming. I mean, it's dry clear from here all the way up to mid-October. Big time drought. So with that being said, we're gonna get right into it. Let's go. Some of you guys might remember in the last video we had the different kind of rear tires on it. We ended up putting VKT tires on the back of it. So pretty happy about that. Gotta have two hands for this one. All right, well, got that one. That's a task and a half. A lot different than 1680. 1680's just got the bolts, and it's got all these freaking finger pinching clamps right there. You gotta watch them things. They'll make you say things you didn't want to. load already off of that. They're averaging right around 84 to 105 at anywhere from 9.7 to 12.3 moisture. Not having a whole lot of head loss. I got some green on there, and that kind of helps out. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to take cart over there. It's been a long day. We kind of had some issues with it. The clutch on the side for the feeder house kept slipping. And I thought it was shot, but it turns out the bolts were just loose for the slip clutch on that. So we went ahead and we fixed that by tightening them up, and then there was an idler that wasn't engaged properly. We adjusted the feeder house chain, and yeah, it's good stuff. But anyway, long story short, we got it going. It ran okay. We're gonna take the cart over there, get our first load off on it, and keep going till Dew says we can. Old trusty Magnum out here, got a cart on 7130, one of our favorites. Alrighty. So we got another field just on the other side of those trees, and we're going to move over there and we're going to start working on it. I've probably got about 45 minutes to an hour worth of cutting left before the sun goes down and dew gets on it. It gets a little too tough. So we're going to move over there. We're going to get it opened up. Not a real big field, but I think we get some work done. So we'll see. Ain't no 100 bushel beans through here, no kidding, right? Now watch for them sticks. I do not like running sticks for this thing. Kinda does very bad things for your internals over time. Watch a waterway there. Not doing too bad. This monitor in this thing is ag leader. It is calibrated, and we're looking at right around, we've been averaging right around 84 to 100 15-inch space beans on 160,000 population, 15-inch rows. So, yeah, pretty happy with that. It's an ASGrow product. It's sold by Sorrell or Sorrell out of Carthage, Indiana, from Nutrient Ag Solutions. I can drop his phone number in the link. If you guys want to get some, or in the description, sorry, if you guys want to get some seed off of him. Really good, solid dude to deal with. 10 out of 10 personality, great guy. Now, before you guys roast me in the comments about the water hemp out here, I called to have these sprayed like 3 times, and they were out here about a month's difference. I mean, they got out here maybe 3 to 4 weeks apart, and I was calling, you know, they were getting out here 3 weeks after I even called them. So it's kind of one of those deals, you know, unless you have your own sprayer, which we do now, that's going to be an issue, because when you have wet springs, a lot of guys kind of really just can't get caught up in either kind of co-ops. So, you know, they're going to pick their big clients before they pick, you know, smaller guys like us. So it's just kind of one of them deals, you know, you just got to deal with it. It's rough, but you know, it is what it is. We bought a sprayer there, full type sprayer. Probably seen it on the shorts. I went up to Fort Wayne, Indiana to get that. Drug that thing all the way back to southern Indiana, where we're from. And we haven't gone through it yet, but it's an 80-footer, 1,000-gallon tank. So there's going to be some videos on it. We're real excited about it. So just kind of stick around and keep an eye out. Doing all right. We're averaging right around 75 to 80 on this one. I hit a couple spots where I seen 105, but just a couple. It was doing 105 right over there. This is kind of a little bit more of a wetter area, so not surprised. But yeah, I really like this number being XF4 series for sure. Yep. So, like I said. All right, well, we got a lot of dew getting ready to start falling. Cutting's getting a little bit more tougher. We've got a special guest with us tonight. My little daughter. First time riding this combine with me, so I'm pretty excited about it. You having fun? What do you think? Go ahead and wrap this one up. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of video, make sure to hit the subscribe, notification bell. Get more videos like this coming from me, us. We appreciate you. And as I always say at the end of every video, and I deeply mean it, Jesus Christ is King. Thanks for watching.